Hello, my dear students of class 8th. How are you? Well, in this episode, we are going to read about the next kind of present tense. In the previous episode, I taught you the use of present indefinite, or how to form a sentence in present indefinite. Well, in this episode, we are going to learn to frame the sentences showing continuity. To form or to frame a sentence showing continuity, well, we use the auxiliaries of present tense. The auxiliaries of present tense are is MR. Then we use ing in the main verb to show continuity. Well, in Hindi, we can understand it if the sentence ends with रहा है, रहे हैं, रही है. It means these sentences are showing continuity. Well, to translate or to form the same thing in English, we have to follow this pattern. First subject, then auxiliary verb according to subject, then main verb with ing. Suppose you have to say वह गा रहा है. You will speak in English as he is singing. वे रो रहे हैं. They are weeping. Well, to go in detail about continuous or imperfect, we also call it imperfect as the work seems to be going on, running. That's why we also call it imperfect. The work seems to be incompleting or seems to be going on in running state. That's why it is also known as imperfect. Well, if the speaker speaks the sentence with one of the pronouns as he, she, it, or any name in singular, the speaker uses is. For example, he is, she is, it is, Rohit is. Then, after using auxiliary verbs, the speaker has to speak the first form of the main verb. For example, he is speaking. In this sentence, speak is the main verb, and to showing continuity, the speaker has to use ing with the main verb. In the same manner, if the speaker wants to frame or form the sentence with one of the pronouns as I, we, you, they, the speaker has to use are except I, as with I we use am, and with the remaining the speaker has to use are. We are, you are, they are, and with plural names too. For example, Rohit and Ravi are. So to form the sentence with I, we use am as I am singing, I am running, I am playing. But if the speaker has to use these main verbs with you are running, you are playing, you are watching. Okay? In the same manner, we are running, we are playing, and the same with they. Well, to form the negative sentence, we use or we insert or we place not just next to auxiliary verbs. For example, they are not playing. He is not playing. Okay? And to form interrogative sentences, the speaker has to use or to place or to put the auxiliary verb in the beginning according to pronoun or according to subject. For example, suppose the speaker has to form an interrogative sentence with the verb sing. He will speak or he will frame it as, is he singing? Are they playing? Are we watching television? And also, to form interrogative negative sentence, we can use not in the beginning with the auxiliary verb or just next to the subject. For example, aren't you studying? Are you not studying? Is that clear? So it was about framing or forming or expressing the views showing continuity. Well, we have a little more uses of present continuous tense. Let's go through. First, present continuous tense is used to talk about an action which is taking place at the time of speaking. For example, I am writing an essay. Neha is reading a book. Well, present continuous tense is also used to talk about an action or event that has begun but not ended at the time of speaking. For example, I am still working upon my project. The work on some project is still going on and it has not been over yet. Is that clear? One more use. We use the present continuous tense to imply that a situation is not permanent. For example, I am cycling every morning. Work of cycling in the morning is not permanent. May postpone next day. So this work of cycling is not permanent, and we use present continuous tense in case of no permanency. Clear? One more example. She is getting trained by a professional dancer. One more use of present continuous. We use present continuous tense to talk about the happenings or changes taking place around now. How? The technology is making us lazy. The population is rising with each passing year. So these things are happening around the speaker who experiences this. We use present continuous tense to talk about things that will or will not happen in the near future. For example, I am not going to attend the party today. One more example, he is not celebrating his birthday this year. Well, I have to share one more thing with you. I speak some verbs, and these verbs are not used in showing continuity, and these verbs are like seen, appear, suppose, want, depend, prefer, mean, consist, need, know, hate, understand, believe, need. We never say we are needing. We never say we are liking. Okay? So these verbs are not used to frame sentence in present continuous tense. Okay? So I think this present indefinite tense or present continuous, I just told you about continuous, would be very well clear to you now. I think you might have understood well. Keep on learning, keep on practicing at home. You have to write about present indefinite, present continuous in your fair grammar notebook with one or two examples of each. Okay, thank you.